The table below shows values of a function h at selected values of x. Which of the following claim and explanation statements best fits the data? So it's either a linear function or quadratic function, and it's because the rate of change is constant, or that the change in the average rate of change is constant. So is it the average rate of change that's constant? Is it the change of the change that's constant? And is it quadratic or is it linear? So based solely off of these statements and not the data itself, we can tell that linear means that the average rate of change is constant. So it cannot be that the change is changing constantly. And likewise, quadratics are changes in the change is constant. So we can just eliminate 2 without even looking at the data. Looking at the data, you can kind of tell that it's going to be quadratic. And the reason why is you can see that we are increasing and then decreasing. A linear function is not going to do that. But if we wanted to check, we increase by 10, then we increase by 5, then we don't increase at all, and then we actually decrease by 5. Now the change between 10 and 5 is minus 5. The change between 5 and 0 is minus 5, and the change between 0 and minus 5 is, well, you guessed it, minus 5. So the change of the change is constant, which means this is a quadratic function. So D is the correct answer.